Hello guys, I hope you're doing well. This is the Bitcoin monthly analysis and daily analysis for today, 1st of October of 2024. The monthly candle just closed and it was super bullish because the last month we draw this huge midpoint of this wick with this red line, and we said if Bitcoin managed to touch this and bounce, that will be bullish. That happened, so 1 point super bullish. Second point, bullish candle, 7.41%, at least in the body. Second point, bullish. Third point, Bitcoin close the over the midpoint of this bearish candle that is here, another point positive, and it closed above the, let me draw it, above the midpoint of the body of the candle. So that is super bullish again. So this is a very bullish. There's a very bullish monthly candle. What can we expect for now, guys? Since we already touched this midpoint. Now we have to draw the midpoint, and Bitcoin, of course, is respecting this huge fair value gap in the monthly time frame. So what can we expect now? We will draw the midpoint of this candle, that is 59 480.4. This is another midpoint, that mean threshold of this candle, that we need to check, because it's very likely that Bitcoin will retrace to this point during this month of October, and then it should create a positive candle that close over the high of September. That is extremely important to do Bitcoin during this month of October. So I'm expecting basically volatility to the downside during the first week or first 2 weeks of October, and then continue going up and maybe taking the all-time highs during the end of the month, or November will be very nice. Okay, but for this month, I'm bullish. I'm bearish the first 2 weeks of the month, or the first week of this month, and the rest of the month I will be very bullish. And the important thing is that Bitcoin needs to close over the high. To the downside, we have, because Bitcoin can do it too. It's not likely, but it can happen that Bitcoin touch the midpoint of this wick to the downside, to the 726.4. This is another point in the worst case scenario, but I don't think Bitcoin will arrive to here. That will be very rare, very rare. But for now, this place is very likely that Bitcoin will create, and it's very healthy for the price action, because if Bitcoin start to going up from here, that it will not have enough strength. But if Bitcoin during the first part of the month touch this point, bounce, and then close a bullish candle, that will be super bullish for the Bitcoin price. Okay, guys, this is analysis for the month. So now we're going to the daily. In the daily, well, Bitcoin, yesterday we talked about that since Bitcoin wasn't able to close over the highs of the last Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, and was basically creating an inside candle this Saturday and this Sunday. These are not bullish signs, and it responds with a lot of volatility to the downside as expected, and now the continuation is it's like 100% likely. We have a lot of liquidity here. All these points are super equal lows in this fair value gap. So I think it's super likely that Bitcoin will go here, pass through here, pass through here, pass through here, or bounce around here, but probably we will touch this zone that is in the monthly time frame, that is the midpoint of the huge candle that we lift to the upside. So I think for these days, Thursday, Wednesday, sorry, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, I think the downside is more likely, and the rest of the week probably starting to go up, because in the weekly time frame, I'm I am bullish, but expecting the first 2 or 3 days of this week to the retracement to the downside. So this is playing like like we are expecting. So this is the analysis for today, guys. Downside super likely. A retracement to the upside could happen, maybe to the midpoint of this candle, but I don't think Bitcoin will retrace that much. Maybe to the maybe. Let me draw it. This is 206.9. Maybe to this place. I I don't see Bitcoin retracing so much, but it could retrace during the day because we have news today. We have ISM manufacturing and job openings. Maybe during that time, Bitcoin will retrace to this zone and then go down and pick up this whole pool of liquidity. If doesn't pick up in the night during the night, but if pick up during the night, we will need to see what's happened during the news. But for now, downside is highly likely, and this is the main target for this week, basically in the monthly time frame. Okay, guys, this is the analysis for today. Hope you like it. If you want, you can subscribe, give us a like, share with your friends, and take care. See you tomorrow. Bye.